Good morning, sir. We are from Group 14. This is my group member, Ameke, Shuguna, No Shafika, Roshanin, and Kisore. Now we want to present the question 5. Let's begin with the introduction. Do you know what is law? Law is the means or device to regulate the economy and social behavior of a society. Law is a set of rules that govern how people interact with each other and set standards of behavior between individual and government that can be enforced through section. The purpose is to maintain the economic and social welfare of our society.
Hierarchy of superior court in Malaysia consists of federal court, court of appeal, and the third highest court in Malaysia based on the hierarchy of court are High Court. There are two chief judges in the High Court, which are Peninsular Malaysia and Sabah and Sarawak. The first in the Peninsular Malaysia, which contains 45 judges and judicial commissioner, and the second is in Sabah and Sarawak, which has 11 judges and judicial commissioner. The Federal Court may hear appeal of civil decisions of the Court of Appeal where the Federal Court give qualification. The Court of Appeal generally hears all civil appeal against the verdict of the High Court except whereas against judgment or order made by consent. The Court of Appeal also heard appeal of criminal decisions of the High Court. Is the court of final jurisdictions for case which begin in any subordinate court. The two High Court in Malaysia have revisions and general supervisory jurisdictions over all the subordinate court and the jurisdictions to hear appeal from the subordinate court in civil and criminal matters. The High Court have unlimited jurisdiction in all criminal matters other than matters involving Islamic law. The High Court have original jurisdiction in criminal case punishable by death.
Based on the case, Alex should be charged under the Child Act 2001 and tried in court for children due to underage. A court for children was established in Malaysia under Part 4 of the Child Act 2001 for the purpose of the hearing, determining or disposing of any charge against a child. The Penal Code Malaysia, if committed by her, allows any sexual intercourse between a man and a woman under the age of 16 as known as a crime. This is also known as a statutory rape.
The researchers know that Alex had made a serious crime because Sarah already pregnant without marrying Alex yet. According to the Malaysian Penal Code Section 3075, which called rape. So, Alex would be sent to the Henry Gurney School according to the law of Malaysian Act 611, Children Act 2001, Section 75(1), based on his crime towards his girlfriend Sarah.
The standard sentence for statutory rape is probation, often followed by a heavy fine and an order for sex offender registry.
Under discussion if they are both. In this case, Alex committed an offence under the Act 559 Sharia Criminal Offence, Federal Terrorists Act 1997 Part 4 offences relating to decency. Based on Act 574 Penal Code Section 375, a man said to commit rape who except in the case hereinafter except has sexual intercourse with a woman under circumstance, with or without her consent when she is under 16 years of age. Under Sharia law, an individual cannot legally consent to sex until marriage. In Section 20, incest with mean intercourse between males and females prohibited from marrying each other under Islamic law. Any person who commits incest shall be guilty of an offence and shall on conviction to be liable to a fine not exceeding 5,000 ringgit or to be imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or to whipping not exceeding 6 strokes or any combination above.
Now we continue with the conclusion. In conclusion, we can conclude that law affects every aspect of our life. It governs our behavior from birth to death, and it influences extent from before birth to after. Law is very important to our daily life in many ways. This is to ensure that we are under the same regulation to protect us from irresponsible people to manipulate and set a limit for a personal behavior may hurt ourselves, other biological environment around us, even include public property and so on. That's all. Thank you.